Hi, I'm Aqua WTI, and I love the tie that I got from High Tie for my husband. I love that this necktie comes with matching cufflinks, and it looks so good together. Also comes with a matching pocket square. It matches perfectly to the necktie. It really just makes my husband look so put together, so clean, so fancy. The cufflinks alone are really, really nice, and they have good quality. I also feel like the tie was excellent quality. Very thick, very silky, just what you would expect from a necktie. I love that it comes together, so I don't have to try to piece things together. It looks nice all together, and it really made my husband feel special too, to look nice and dapper. I really was pleased with my purchase. I think that this is a really cool set, and I hope that your husband or a special someone loves it as much as my husband did. And that's my point of view.